Yo, what's good, fam? Been a little minute since I gave y'all a little update about my trading journey. Since October, actually since August, I think I posted a video. Um, I gave a breakdown on how I lost my funded account, and basically I've been working my way up, trying to get my funded again. Um, I say about September, I got funded again and ended up losing it only because I was rushing the process. I felt like that I should have been funded already and never should have lost my funded account. So my mental was all messed up and I ended up losing my funded account fast. But um, fast forward, I bought another combine account, passed in like 3 days. I'm trading the funded account right now as we speak. So we are back funded. I'm trying to work on getting at least like 2 to 3 more funded accounts. But as of right now, we're funded. That is a quick update for y'all. But right now, we're gonna get into the trade. I traded today. Today is October 27th. We are in the end of October. I feel like October price action been pretty decent, not bad. We've been having clean price action. September was all right. Getting into November, I already know how price action is because of the experience I had. November price action is shitty, is bad, choppy, mostly towards the end of November. So beginning of November might be cool, but towards the holiday type season, the markets will be kind of iffy. We'll see though. So let's get to the breakdown of what I traded today. I traded YM today. I saw a buy setup. I was completely patient and disciplined, which is also something I would always work on. Like you can be disciplined and patient for a brief moment and then fall off track a little bit, but it's like you gotta continuously work on your mental, and that's just the game of trading. So let's break it down. So I'm gonna go on the replay. We'll break this down. So first things first, before the market open, I mark my zones, right? So I first of all I use my sessions, my London New York Asian session. The only session that lights up is the New York session. So I would mark my zones. We got a support. We got a resistance level here. We got a resistance level here. We got a support level here marked up, and a resist support level here. So when I mark my zones, I mainly mark it based off the previous sessions. The previous sessions is not colored. The blue line is the only line that's colored. That is New York. That's the only thing I need. So I know that this previous session was London, and then this previous session was the Asian session. And I go based off Asian highs, Asian lows, or London highs, London lows. So first of all, let's get break down to what I saw and how I got into buys and how I saw buys. So today, market open 9:30. We seen this candle, 15-minute candle. This I made my decision based off the 15-minute time frame. Usually I'll check the 15-minute time frame, go down a little bit, and then see what I can see to get a good entry. So I went into the 15-minute time frame. 9:30 approaches. We're here. Price is just moving choppy a little bit. Let me go to the 5-minute. Um, First of all, before New York open, I see a breaker structure right here. So we have a neckline right here. I see a breaker structure, this bullish engulfing candle, which gives me an indication that okay, we made an indication. Now this is a correction type zone right here. Price did not close bearish underneath this level right here. So I'm like, all right, if price breaks beneath this level bearish on the 15-minute time frame, then my bias might switch to being bearish. But as of now, I'm bullish. So I'm waiting, being patient. 15-minute go by. All right, cool. We did close below here, so now I have a bias of maybe we might be bearish, but I still got my buy setup as to when I'll take my buys, right? So when I trade YM, I trade my TP, my take profit is 50 points, and my stop loss is 25 points all the time. When it comes to Nasdaq, my TP is 20 to 30 points, and my stop loss is 10 to 15 points. Aiming for 1 to 2. So let's get down to this, right? So I waited for the 15-minute candle to close. Boom, close below. I'm like, okay, maybe we're bearish. If we do close below again, or if price end up rejecting here, I'll look for some sells. But we didn't. The next 15-minute candle closed above here, and when it closed above this level of support, now new resistance, I'm like, all right, cool. That gave me a perfect indication that we are bullish for the moment because we did retrace up here before New York opened. We were right here. We closed a bullish engulfing candle, rejected right here for a correction, and then we made a continuation up here. All I aim for is 50 points when it comes to YM. That's all I need. Guaranteed 50 points will happen. So I did have a one loss and one winning trade today. Let me go on a 5 minute. So let me tell you when I got wicked out. So I entered before the hourly candle closed, which was 10 a.m. I seen a candle open above here. I think it was a 3 minute. I'll go down to the small time frames to see if any other candle will close above here. So I looked at the 3 minute, and it went up here, and then it stopped me out for 25 points, and I'm like, damn, I got stopped out. Low key, I was gonna aim for a 30-point stop just in case that happened because of the new hourly time frame will open up and might give me a little crazy wick, which it did. So I entered again above here, and my TP was 50 points, which was up above right here. I did want to leave a runner because I feel like price would go all the way up here, but it never did. So I'm like, let me stick to my rules because lately, the past month, I wasn't sticking to my rules for real. So now I'm like trying to be as disciplined as I can. Excuse me. So that way I don't make the same mistakes over and over again. So price went up here. We made that indication. I looked at the 15-minute time frame, and I'm trading on Top Step, by the way. I'll make that 15-minute time frame, and I'm like, yeah, we're good. 5-minute time frame, we close above bullish as well. All right, cool. We come up here. I enter again for the second trade. Come up, target hit, boom. That was it. I'm done for today. So one L, one win kind of day. I could have avoided that loss if I was patient and waited till the hourly close. Honestly, could have just been a one and done, one W, and that's just little stuff I got to work on, and I've been working on that as well. Trying to be patient, waiting for a certain candle to close, or the 30-minute time frame to close, or 15-minute, just to get that good entry instead of getting wicked. Because my stop loss is not that it's tight, but it's like it's just right. 1 to 2. US 30 will always aim for 50 points. After back testing so many times, I figured that based off my strat, I would always get 50 points off YM. Same thing goes for NQ. So that was that. And then the rest of the day, man, just choppy. We're just chopping around. This week is a week where we have news. Wednesday, I believe. Thursday, I think Trump is talking this week. Sometime this week, we got Federal Chair Powell speaking this week as well. So this week could be a choppy week. It's possible. There's no news tomorrow. We'll be extra careful in the markets. Usually Mondays I'll be losing. This is probably my first win in probably a month from losing every Monday. I used to win every Mondays until something happened. I don't know. Price action just changed on me. And it's my first win. So today is almost like a break-even day, but we're still up for today, which I'll definitely take. I want to get back to breaking down trades every day like I used to. So I'm going to try to do that as well. I've been so inconsistent. I'm going to try to get back right. But if you want to learn or join my Discord, I'll go live every morning at 9:20 for real and trade live with the team. I'll drop the link below so y'all can join if you haven't joined already. And that's about it. I'm gonna try to push more videos out. Like, that's my main goal. So tomorrow's a new trading day. Let's have a great week, and I'm out. Yes, sir.